add a Duolingo widget on Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add a Duolingo widget on your Android. So here on your screen, you have to long press on your screen. So you can get the widget option. Click on that. After clicking on your widget, you can see all of your quick function, Poco launcher, clock, weather, etc. You have to scroll down and search for your Duolingo. Scroll down. So here you can see that. So here you can see the Duolingo option. You can select any of these from your form too. So click on this and here you can see that. So here you can see that I have added a Duolingo widget on my Android. So that's the process how you can add a Duolingo widget on your Android phone. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.